The erosion of a waterfall creates a rounded cut in a cliff edge. This is what scientists call a cataract. And at the base of the cataract can commonly be plunge pools. Now another feature we have to understand are sediment lobes pushed by a water current. This is an important feature to be able to identify. Now we're in the Hangdong Mountains of China. Could this be a plunge pool, and could this be a rounded shape of a cataract? Well, let's keep going downstream to see what else we can find. Here we can see sediment lobes are pushed upwards and even uphill. We can see that these formations are full of sediment lobes, all indicating an uphill current direction. And they're right next to ripple formations that have a wavelength of 4,000 feet. These are very directional features. And they're full of these V-shaped formations. How did these V-shaped formations form? Well, they started off as ripples, and then they got separated and sculpted by water current. These are what I call streamlined ripples, and they can be found on riverbeds and observed to move downstream. And when we go to our mystery spot in Mongolia, which has sediment streamlined around this mountain here in an uphill direction, now that we understand the plunge pool and the rounded shape of a cataract, we can see the whole picture of this erosion. And on these sand deposits, we also find massive ripples as well, with a wavelength over 3,000 feet. And next to it is the same features.